Hello everyone, it's Talan and I'm back with a new video. So today we will be doing blue marble press on nails. Yes, press on nails. No acrylic. All you need is gel nail polish and some press on nails. And I'm going to show you how to change it into this. So if you want to learn, keep watching and let's get into it. So if you made it this far, obviously you want to learn how to do these blue marble press-on nails. It's really easy. So we're going to start off with one hand already done. I'm going to set it to the side. And we're just going to grab our other hand. And I already buffed it out. And I'm just going to go ahead and go in with some base coat. Once I finish this, I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. And then I'll be grabbing two of blue colors. So one is like a royal blue, one of them is like a sky blue type of color. But of course you can change up the colors. You can use two different types of pinks. You can actually mix it up and use any colors you want to use. But now I'm going to go ahead and start like designing it. And for the design, I'm going to take one of my blue colors, the royal blue color, and I'm just kind of just making dots, little spots in random places. This design is going to be really random. So you're going to take the other color and you're just going to kind of fill in the spots that you missed. You don't want to use a lot of polish because then it's going to cause it to like pull or like spill off, and it's going to just be too much polish to cure properly. But we're just gonna continue adding more colors, and then I'm gonna grab a dotting tool. And if you don't have a dotting tool, you really could use anything like a toothpick. You could use a pen or a pencil, anything to help you kind of swirl them together or like make that marble effect. So you see, I'm just kind of mixing it together. That's what I was saying about it'll be random. There's no way to duplicate exactly what I did because I don't know, it just comes out differently every time. And once you kind of like the design that you created, again, you see me, I'm just going in and getting some of that excess gel polish off the nail because you don't want it to be like leaking off. So just getting some of that, making sure that I got all around the nail. And yeah, I like that design, so I'm gonna keep it. So moving on to my next nail, I'm just doing the same thing, except I'm kind of doing, actually, I'm not doing the exact same thing. I started with the darker blue the first time. Now I'm starting with the lighter blue just because I do want it to kind of be like even. Like I want the lighter blue to pop just as much as the darker blue. So I'm just doing the same thing in a way, but kind of doing it backwards. I don't know, but it's gonna get the same effect just with more of the lighter blue showing than the darker blue, if that makes sense. And again, nothing is going to come out exactly the same. Nothing is going to come out perfect, I guess. So just keep that in mind when you're doing it. I wanted more of the lighter blue to show, so that's what I'm doing. So if you want more of the darker blue, then you would use more dark blue than you would light blue. And again, like it might not come out that way, but it might still be cute. So just kind of play with it and see what happens. Again, I'm just reminding you, please make sure you get that extra gel polish from around like the edges of the nail. If you don't, you will regret it because it will not cure properly. And I'm just taking some of the blue polish to paint my thumb and my pinky solid blue. In hindsight, I probably should have just did all of them in blue marble, but I didn't want that. But when I saw the finished result, I did want that. But it's okay, it's still really pretty this way too, so I'm gonna stick with it. I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds, and I'm just going to add another layer so it can be nice and full. And we're gonna cure that for 60 seconds as well. And just to make it pop even more, I'm grabbing some foil gel and putting it on the marble nails. And I'm also going to let that cure at the same time so it can save me time. Alright, now that's out of the oven. So I'm going to grab this really cute holographic foil. Look, that's so cute. And I think I linked it in the description box. Did y'all just hear that disrespect? My phone started ringing. My bad. But anyways, it's already cured, so we're just going to take the foil and just kind of put it on, like randomly put it in different spots. Yeah, you see, just stick it on there so it can have that kind of dimensional effect. So from any angle you can see it and it'll look really pretty. I'm telling you, when it hits the light, it looks so amazing. I love it. Now before I do anything else, I'm going to seal everything in with a coat of top coat and let it cure for 60 seconds. Once I've let that cure for 60 seconds, I'm going to go ahead and go in and start filing my nails to get it back into that perfect ballerina coffin shape. I like mine to be really defined, really like sharp, straight looking, so I just file until it's perfect. Then grab an alcohol wipe and wipe off that excess dust and go back in with another top coat to seal that in, cure it for 60 seconds, and you'll see the result. Alright, and you can see the results. Look, you can even see some of the holographic notes indoors, but wait until I go outdoors. See, it looks even better. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. I love it. So, we're at the end of the video, and I hate to see you guys go, but I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you shop Talan. Bye.